This is a quick video to show you how to do student annotations in your assignments. So it is an assignment. I'm going to scroll down, look at my directions, and then the document that you will be answering on is right here. You have a toolbar. In your toolbar, you can highlight and change the color of what you are highlighting directly in your text. You can text directly on your document. So if I want to label this as Texas, I can change the size of my font so that it will fit. That's a little too small right here. Now, I have labeled Texas. If I label something wrong, I can go in and click delete. It asks me if I want to. Nope, I got that right. I want to leave it. Then, once I have labeled all the pieces of the assignment and done everything that the directions at the top tell me to do, all I have to do is click Submit Assignment, and that assignment has now gone directly to my teacher. I do not have to download or do anything else. I can work on this directly in Canvas. Click Submit Assignment, and now my assignment has gone into my teacher's assignment successfully submitted into the teacher gradebook. And that is how to do student annotations in a Canvas assignment.